Hey everyone, this is part one of my pit bike build. This is a '04 CRF 100F. First off, put a new, or not new stator, but stator inners on it. That's why it's a little rusty on the outside, but did that. Brand new sprocket, chain. Got to clean up in here and everything too. Old chain right there, but do a walk around. Got this thing for $200, so figured I'd fix it up, make it half decent. But yeah, so we got the sprocket, or front sprocket, chain over here. Got the rear tire, put new bearings in that, primed it. We're gonna paint them black, along with the front wheel too. I'm gonna do black. Got the new rear sprocket. Then there's the sprocket bolts on the old sprocket. They were stripped right out, so I had to cut them off. Now we're gonna put those new ones in. So I'll make another quick video showing the after, and I got the cover too, so I'm gonna throw the crank case cover on afterwards, and I'll show you that after. So yep.